that they may take our lives, but they'll never take our freedom.
Guys, I'm sorry now.
What's going on, you guys? It is your boy Joneso here, and today I'm going to react to another of sound guy Kevin James, and this one's called Braveheart. I got a reaction of it, so if you want to see the video, it will be in the link description down below. So let's take a look at this, shall we? And let's go.
I'm dying in your beds many years from now.
Sorry, we got to hold. We got a plane. Hold for plane, please. All right, we'll take it again. We're good.
Would you be willing to trade all the days from this day to that for one chance?
Mel, I'm sorry, guys. We got another plane. Sorry about that. It was a good take. Good. It's going good, Mel. Hold. Oh, it's a slow one. All right, we're good to go again. Let's do it.
One chance, just one chance to come back and tell our
Nope. 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 No.
We can go, hey, listen, we can do it. We can do it. You're just going to be coming in for ADR. You know, it's not gonna be, I don't.
Because the plane.
We can do it, Mel. Do the horse. Let's go. Everybody go. We're good. We're good. Let's get it going.
that they may take our lives, but they'll never take our freedom.
Guys, I'm sorry, Mel. we got a helicopter. We got wait.
Helicopter.
It's not good. Guys, stop. I didn't get any of it, guys. Mel. You can't yell cut. He's on the horse.
Yo, that was good, Kevin James. That was very good. Keep up the good work. And one more thing, thank you from yesterday for commenting one of the video that I reacted of your video. So if y'all never saw it, it will be in the link description down below. Check it out. This is, you know, dream come true that I got a comment from the Kevin James. Well, that's all my reaction for today. So like, subscribe, thank you so much, and please follow me on Twitter and Instagram and Facebook. It will be in the link description down below. So thank you so much, and take care. Y'all have a blessed day. 20,000 subscribers. Peace.